Yeah, I believe it. Oh, the past is...
Hello guys! For today's video, ang isi-share ko po sa inyo ay kung paano ako inopera ng Maya business ng loan, pandagdag puhunan daw. So, i-open natin itong Maya. Then, enter yung password. Then, i-click natin itong loans. Then, scroll pababa lang tayo guys. Then, click proceed. So, ito yung available loans nila. Maya Advance, extra puhunan ng kailangan, add store inventory or invest on that new business idea easily. So, yung long term nila guys is up to 30 days. The minimum amount na ibibigay nila is 500 pesos. And then, sa maximum amount is 3,000 pesos. So, itry natin itong apply now kung magkano ang offer nila. So, yung offer nila sa akin guys is 900 pesos. So, balik muna tayo guys. So, other loan products nila. So, sa Maya Instacash is, yung loan term nila is up to 7 days lang. Then, same lang sa Maya Advance, yung offer na minimum amount and maximum amount. Then, i-trick natin na-apply kung pwede ba ako dito. So, hindi pa ako pwede dito guys sa Maya Instacash. So, para maging pre-qualified, narito ang criteria. Maayos na credit standing with Maya Business, then maging account holder ng Maya Business for at least 1 month. So, hindi pa ako pwede dito guys. So, dito lang ako pwede sa Maya Advance. So, i-click natin itong apply now. Then, click apply. Then, choose purpose. Halimbawa, itong additional capital Maya Business. Then, ito yung loan amount, then may documentary stamp tax na i-deduct nila, which is 0.59. Then, yung matitira na lang is 899.41. So, dito naman tayo sa repayment details nila. Loan amount, 900. At may service fee pala sila guys, itong 54. So, total repayment amount is 954. Then, average number of transaction is divided to 64. So, ito yung ibabawas nila sa ating buwan-buwan guys. Itong 14.91. At automatic na ibabawas ito sa account hanggang sa mabayaran ng buo within the loan term. So, loan term is up to 30 days. So, i-click natin ang next. So, ito na yung borrower details. Ayan. Ayan. Repayment amount per transaction. Up to 30 days service fee. Then, kapag malilate ka sa payment guys, may deduct silang 5% past due balance. Additional capital business ang purpose. So, ito yun guys. So, para matanggap mo yung pandagdag na puhunan is i-click lang itong accept guys. So, yun lang guys. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Hindi ko muna i-accept to guys dahil hindi ko muna kailangan to. Thank you guys.